what's up? It's Gabby. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a brown smoky eye. I love this look. This is like my go-to night look. I usually do something like this or a really dramatic winged liner, but today I wanted to show you guys this because we're getting into fall, and this look is not just good for fall or winter, it's good all year long. But since we usually wear more darker colors, this is something that will look really good with a lot of fall outfits. It's pretty. You can go on date night, you can go out with your friends, whatever it is that you do at night. This is a great look. It's super simple to do. It probably took me like about 20 minutes or less. The hardest part is probably just the lashes. It's a lot of blending, you'll see. I use the Tarteist Pro palette along with one more color, but this is basically everything that I used for today's look. If you're interested in getting this look, learning how to do it, go ahead and keep watching.
Alright everyone, so first we're going to start off with some primer. This primer is from Decay. Sorry, it's backwards. I'm going to apply it to my whole eyelid, and then I'm going to, with my finger, just spread it around and make sure that everything is even. Now I'm going to come in with my Tarteist Pro palette. This palette I got a while back ago at Ulta, but I know they have it at Amazon. I'm going to link below. I'm going to come in now with the Indie color. It's like a light brown color that I'm going to use on the crease. I'm going to use this blending brush, and I'm going to come in from the mid section of the crease all the way to the front and to the corner of my eye. I'm going to come in now with this brown shimmery color. I have no idea where this is from, but any brown shimmery color works fine. I'm going to be using this brush. It is for the lid, and I'm going to apply that all on the lid, trying to stay away from the crease. So just keep it in this area. Next color I'm going to be using is the Glam, which is another shimmery color, but this one is more gold than it is brown. So what I've done is I've kind of mixed both colors, and I'm using the same brush for the lid. So here I just apply the Glam color on top of the darker brown shimmery color, and I mix them both together. Now I'm going to grab my crease brush and I'm going to be coming in with the color Edgy, which is like a medium brown color. I'm going to be applying this on my lower lash line and then up on the crease the same way, all the way in and out, and connecting it towards the bottom lash line. I'm going to be coming back with the blending brush and I'm going to take the same color Indie that we started with and I'm going to blend out the medium brown color that we just applied with the crease brush. Next, I'm going to grab my smudge brush and I'm going to be using the color Smoked. It is the darkest brown color on the palette. And I'm going to be applying this towards the lash line from the back all the way to the front, with the majority of the smoked color towards the back of my lash line, almost making like a liner effect. Next, I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to apply the same smoked color, but only towards the end of my lash line, and I'm going to push out with the color. I'm also going to be using the same brush and applying it to my lower lash line. As you can see, I take it all the way from the back to the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to be taking this round, smaller shadow brush and I'm going to come in with the same brown smoked color and I'm going to just blend that and move up into the crease, but only stay in the corner of my eye. Coming in again now with the blending brush, I'm going to just blend everything out. The smoked color along with the shimmery color, I'm just going to blend it all. So blending is so important for this look because I want to make sure that I have a good transition between all the colors and that there are no harsh lines left over from the darker browns. Alright, Alright, so now I'm going to be taking that smaller brush again, and I'm going to come in with the edgy color, that medium brown color we used, and I'm going to be just blending the bottom and making a smoky effect with that medium brown color. Blending brush again, and now I'm just going to buff everything out and make sure it is blended. I'm going to now take this nude color that I have from MAC, and I'm going to apply it where the brown on the crease ends, and I'm going to push up closer to my brow line, and I'm just going to blend all of it, making sure that I have that transition. Okay, now that everything is blended, I'm going to come back with the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply that Glam shimmery color again to the lid. Going to come back now with the indie color that we used, and I'm going to just blend again over the crease. Now with the crease brush, I'm going to get the Glam color, and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my eye. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to begin lining my eyes. I'm going to be doing a winged liner. If you guys are interested in how to do this liner, I am going to post a link to my video with the tutorial on winged liner. Okay, winged liner is done. Now I'm going to be taking my pencil liner from CoverGirl, and I'm going to line the inside of my upper lid, and I'm going to be doing the same for the bottom. Now I'm going to come in with that angled brush again, and I'm going to take that smoky color and I'm going to be smoking out the liner that I just applied to the top. And what you're going to do is basically just trace over and a little bit above the liner that you just did. And now I'm going to take that smaller brush and just blend it out further. Now we come back with the liner again, the liquid liner, and we're just going to line closest to the lash line over the blending that we just did. Just gonna go ahead and smooth out a few things. If you're happy with the look you have now, this is not necessary. I'm just OCD and I really just want everything to look extremely smooth and buffed and perfect and whatever. So lastly, we're gonna take the eyeshadow brush and come with this classic color is the name. It's like an ivory color, and I'm gonna apply it right below my eyebrow and in that space that we haven't put any eyeshadow in. This just gives like a highlighting effect.
Okay guys, now both eyes are done. I am going to now do my foundation, and that's it. Okay everyone, so this is my brown smoky eye. I'm gonna come closer. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I did my foundation, I'm gonna leave a link up here where you guys can click, and it's just foundation. And if you like this look, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe.